Hi guys, I'm Gautham. I'm a lead front-end React.js and React Native mobile app developer based out of India. I have 4 years of experience in making state-of-the-art front-end applications in both web and the mobile landscape. Currently, I work at Spark Habits, which is a health-based startup based out of USA. I work remotely. So in this video, I'll be explaining the projects that I have done and then the technologies that I use to do it. So let's get into it. So I will explain the projects that I have done one by one. And first one would be Upload. So Upload is an app where you can compress your images and then capture your images and then scan QR codes as well as barcodes and then store those QR links in your app itself in local storage. So for this, I used a React Native and then I used a library called React Native Vision Camera to make the camera parts work. So this is a demo of my particular app. So you can see it supports a lot of features like dark theme and light theme, and then you can turn on flashlights, etc. So you can also monitor or change your exposure of your cam like photos, etc. As you can see here, and then you can save those images to your gallery, right? And then you can also take videos, and then you can save those videos in HD in your galleries, etc. Right. So if I go here, and then you can see all these things are there. And then main thing is I also implemented localization where you can see you can use the app in multiple languages like English, Arabic, Hindi, Tamil, etc. Right. And the app also supports RTL support, which is right to left one. Right. This landing page is made with Next.js and Tailwind CSS, which I am both proficient at. Right. The app is available in the App Store, as you can see here, and then it's also available in the Amazon App Store for Android version. Right. I use iPhone, so I made the app for myself, and a lot of people use it as well. The main reason behind me using this particular application is, or making this particular application is, the apps in the Play Store, they have so much ads that I couldn't even use them. Right. If let's take, I immediately wanted to take what I would say, like scan a QR code in an app, right? They would immediately show an ad. I didn't like it, so I made an own app, and then the app has no ads, etc. So if you want to support me, you can pay for the premium version where you can save the QR code links. I used Revenue Cat to make the in-app purchases work. Right. So that's it for the Apollo Shot app. And then I will explain the next one, which is an app called Logmc, where I created this application to monitor the important events, where I created APIs in Express.js backend and deployed it to the Google Cloud functions, right, which is a part of GCP, right. So, and then this app is also like this website is also made with Next.js, and then I also made a dashboard also with Next.js, right. So you can see it uses Firebase auth, and then it uses Mapbox and all these things, right. So that is one. And then next one is Neo Budget. Neo Budget is a budget app where it's available in the app stores as well as also as a web app, right. So I used Firebase for the backend, where I used Firestore for the database, and then storage for uploading receipt images, as well as I made a web dashboard, the same like Logmc. Right. The app is available in the Apple App Store. Right. So, and also it's available in the Android store, but yeah. So for all these things, I use React Native Next.js, which is superior version of React.js, and it's recommended by the React team itself. And then for the portfolio website, I used Astro, which is extremely faster, right? And then but for production ready applications, I use Next.js. I just wanted to try new technologies, so I used Astro for my portfolio, right? I always do that. And then the next part is I also post developer based content in Twitter, where I post technically strong or technically dense content, where as you can see I have made a video like post on how I made clustering of markers, where if let's take, if you use apps like Airbnb, right, they use the clustering feature, where if they have a lot of houses or homes in a particular area, you can't load a lot of markers there, which will impact the performance. So I made a post on how you can implement that in React Native, right? So you can see I also made with geolocations, etc. So I do that there. And then next one is I also do coaching, right? As I work full time, I won't be able to do it in the weekdays. But as I'm free in the weekend, as in US people have work just 5 days a week. So I would be mostly free in the Saturdays and Sundays. So when I am free, I would teach people or I would coach people on React.js, React Native, Next.js, as well if they want the backend like Express.js, Node.js, etc. I do that. So you can contact me in Teacheron, or you can go to my email and email me, or you can DM me in Twitter. Right. The next one is I also do I write technically dense blogs in Medium as well. So I made a lot of articles there where you can see the main like this article really a lot of people liked it. So that's why I got 100 claps here. Where let's take, if you want to upload an image from your own gallery to your server storage, etc. Right, with help of, and then show proper UX like loader states, etc. You can use this particular. You can view this particular Medium post, right? Yeah. So these are all the things I have done. And then yeah, I currently work at Spark Habits, which is an health based app where I use so many technologies like Google Cloud Platform, Cloudflare for the backend, and then Upstairs for rate limiting and all these things, right? So I also publish courses in Udemy, but right now I didn't have much time for the past year, so I didn't, like, you can see this particular course, right? It has 4.5 stars, right? All these courses. So yeah, because people like my way of teaching, so they have you know provided good reviews for me, right? So that's it, guys. These are all the things I have done, and then I'll be doing more and more as time progresses, right? So then my next target is to learn Shift and Kotlin in my site to make widgets like Duolingo, right? So that is not possible in React Native, so that is very advanced stuff, right? But for the basic stuff, I would basic to moderate stuff, I would be interested in helping folks, and then I will also be publishing videos in my YouTube channel, right? Which is this, right? Where I would have discussed a lot of technical stuff like geolocation, and then how you can manage notifications with help of Notify in React Native, right? So that's it. If you want to contact me, you can do so via my email and via Twitter or in Teacher on itself. So thanks for watching this. I will see you in the next video.